hello. You are the CEO of Tungaloy France. We are going to talk about tools because Tungaloy is a tool and machining solutions manufacturer. And a very recent event is the acquisition of a company called NTK. It's a Japanese company, but tell us a bit more about this company. What does it do? And what is the interest in acquiring this business?
Indeed, the company NTK, a Japanese company, joined the IMC group in April 2023. So NTK is the ceramic specialist. It's the group. The company has been around since 1958. It's located in Komaki, east of Tokyo, and it evolved within the NTK consortium. NGK is the specialist in ceramic spark plugs for gasoline engines, hence the expertise. The cutting tools developed by NTK have joined the IMC group. The group decided to have its subsidiary Tungaloy market the brand locally. Being a Japanese company, Tungaloy has the cultural proximity and the experience in material implementation. Very technical for machining. So since April 2023, we integrated the brand, welcomed NTK's historic clients in France, mainly in Aeronautics. We got trained on the product, not with the team, but with the team, the Japan team, the Japanese NTK specialists, exactly.
So for your clients, in the end, NTK and Tungaloy are one and the same.
It's right? A complete complementary offering. So it really complements Tungaloy's offering with all the cutting materials you can find today in the machining industry. So solutions from coated carbide inserts, cement, ceramic now with a complete offering, from edge nitride to diamond.
What's the appeal of ceramics?
So there are several interests. So we will find ceramics in different industries. First of all, in aeronautics, ceramics allow for the machining of exotic materials, nickel-based refractory materials, which can be found in airplane engines.
Actually, these are very hard materials. Complex?
Very hard and complex materials to machine, when machined traditionally force us to work under such low cutting conditions that we lose time. In profitability and productivity, ceramic will allow, during roughing, since these pieces are often forged, there is a lot of excess material to remove before getting to the finished dimension. With ceramic, we can work with much higher cutting speeds to make a comparison. Let's compare with carbide inserts to see how it turns out. With carbide, we work at cutting speeds of around 45 meters. With ceramic, we're at between 250 and 350 meters.
So productivity is much higher.
Absolutely.
And in terms of wear, it's also positive compared to traditional inserts?
So it behaves, there we go, we will find the same wear pattern.
So it's essential anyway for this type of exotic materials?
And anyway, ceramics, for it to work, in the very nature of this material, ceramics only work at very high temperatures. So ultimately, we have to raise the cutting point to very high temperatures. Hence the very high cutting speed, and of course this affects
still not working.
Productivity and the use of the part.
Yes, aerospace is one of the applications for these ceramic inserts, but I imagine there are many others.
Yes, indeed. You'll find ceramic machining in the automotive industry for all parts made from cast iron. The machine runs at very, very high speeds. We're talking cutting speeds of 800 to 1,000 revolutions per minute. So for milling housings or turning brake discs, for example. These are major ceramic applications. You'll also find ceramic applications in rolling mills for reworking rolling cylinders, wire mills, for example, and also for hard turning applications, which are also found in the automotive industry. And I also wanted to add that NTK is a major specialist in ceramics, but not only that, they have also developed a whole range of solutions for bar turning, and therefore we really see innovative solutions. Pretty unique in the field of bar turning, so it's also up to us, Tungaloy, who have a significant presence among bar turners, especially our friends in Haute-Savoie, to present them this new NTK offer.
NTK's expertise in the matter. They're the specialists on the subject, right?
He's one of the specialists in the world on the subject. So NTK has developed different grades of ceramic. So ceramics, we call them SiAION, which is silicon nitride. We are also developing reinforced ceramics called whiskers, and also patented specific ceramics. So we have a ceramic called Bidemics, which will allow us to work more on the semi-finishing part of exotic materials, but at even higher cutting speeds.
One last thing. For the clients, what is it? In terms of impact, as you said, it's about performance. Ultimately, it's essential for machining certain materials, but having a single and same supplier like Gladieux makes it much simpler.
Yes, exactly. Since now we can offer solutions at every stage of the machining process, from roughing with ceramics to finishing and reworking with standard carbide solutions.
And for them, it's seamless, same type of technology,
especially the same level of quality usage and requirements same between NTK and Tang at a glance. These are two Japanese manufacturers with this expertise, and both have a very high level of quality and requirements. For them, it's Contact who offers a full range of solutions with a technical approach that allows them to always progress and increase productivity.
Thank you, William, for these explanations.